There's something magical about a patio where shabby chic design brings together faded elegance and playful charm. Today, we're exploring a shabby chic patio that showcases the beauty of distressed finishes and vintage finds. Welcome to Green Home Living. A weathered wooden table with mismatched chairs sits on a shabby chic patio beside a charming cottage. The veranda is draped with flowering vines, and pots of blooming roses add bursts of color to the scene. In front of a charming cottage, worn wicker furniture with floral cushions sits on a stone patio. Surrounding the seating area, blooming hydrangeas and lavender fill the air with their sweet scents. Beneath a trellis covered in lush ivy, a worn wooden bench with pastel cushions finds its place in front of a cottage with softly peeling paint. The house itself, with its charming imperfections, adds to the peaceful, timeless quality. Distressed metal chairs with soft floral cushions are arranged under a trellis covered in flowering vines, on a patio beside a quaint country house. A table, set with a vase of wildflowers, creating a cozy shabby chic garden. A distressed wooden table, covered with a lace tablecloth, sits beside a quaint cottage, surrounded by potted herbs and trailing ivy. The table is set with vintage china, and the house's wooden door and shutters add to the rustic shabby chic ambiance. In front of a rustic cottage, a vintage fountain trickles softly on a shabby chic patio. Surrounded by pots of blooming lavender and roses, distressed wooden benches offer a place to sit and relax under the house's overhanging eaves. In front of a whitewashed farmhouse, pastel-colored cushions rest on weathered chairs, arranged on a shabby chic patio. Beneath a pergola covered in flowering vines, pots of lavender and daisies add their fragrant touch to the air. A rustic metal table with chipped paint sits on the patio of a vintage country house, set with a vase of freshly picked wildflowers. Surrounding the scene, flowering vines climb the stone walls, adding a touch of romance to this shabby chic garden. Thanks for joining us on this shabby chic patio tour. If you found inspiration in this charming space, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more ideas on making your outdoor area a delightful escape. See you in the next video, and may your patio always be a place of comfort and style.